congratulations. Get ready to hear him again. The channel we're gonna start with is Sense.
No, not a YouTuber that I genuinely enjoy. Piss off, you ableist. You scary ableist. That's it. I'm gonna... Three, two, one. How dare you? How dare you? This is what you get. Cringe! I need to protect.
In society. You made a video called "People Like This Disgust Me."
Thank you, advert. Thank you, advert. You saved 5 minutes of my life.
Why? Because trading with plus 500 is like getting into that exclusive party.
Please have sex and die. What the fuck is that? Like image compression? Are you retarded? Wait, clearly he is, because he has the look of a retard.
Some of you have been telling me to react to this TikToker called Kaya Mins. I've been hearing nothing but bad stuff about this TikToker. I haven't seen any of these person's TikToks. Judging from some of these thumbnails, day in the life of a content creator, like...
Wait, that isn't this.
I got Drake.
Wait, he didn't ask for permission to use that clip. Copyright infringement. He should get his channel taken down. Subscribe or something, I don't know.